Hi everyone, I've got this absolutely fantastic opportunity here situated on Ravesdale Garden to show you this beautiful and very well presented throughout 4-bedroom semi-detached property, which is situated in the very sought after Ellesmere Park. So entering the property, we've got our lovely entrance hallway with our downstairs toilet leading to the left. Flowing to the right, we have our lovely cosy bay fronted lounge with a log burner as well. Lots of lovely natural light flooding through as well. The property is beautifully presented throughout and is ready to move straight into. It has undergone extensive work since the current owners have been here. So this is our second reception room. It could be a great family room or entertaining space. So we've got the first level of extension here. We've got our single story rear extension with large patio doors leading to our beautiful low maintenance rear garden. Velux windows there as well, bringing in even more of that fantastic natural light, which we are not shy of in this property. Again, we've got a great space there and definitely a great entertaining space. Back through the hall with some storage underneath the stairs there. And then coming through to the main area of the house, we've got this absolutely beautiful kitchen, all fitted with integral appliances. So this is part of our double story side extension, which also features a utility room. So we've got our boiler, which is housed in here. We've got some sleek units and some further units there, as well as our washing machine. Further unit space here, so we've got plenty of storage. And again, our integrated appliances. Dining area as well, so we've got a feature light there as well as our spotlights. Big window again, bringing in lots of natural light and giving us a stunning view of the garden. Another big patio door, which brings us out to this fantastic low maintenance rear garden, which has been very well maintained by the current owner, as you can see. So we've got a seated area just to the right hand side there, and then we've got our grass section, further seating down there, storage, and the property also has a garage and a large sweeping driveway for off-road parking to the front and side. And again, that garage could be used as storage or additional parking. So we've got a seated area here, planted borders, and a fantastic size, low maintenance and very well maintained and cared for garden. And then to the back of the property, we can see the extent of the extensions here. Double story rear extension to the right, and we've got our single story rear extension with the Velux windows in that second reception room. And then one of the main features of the house with flooded natural light, beautiful kitchen and dining area. So heading upstairs, we have 4 generous size bedrooms. We've got a family bathroom suite and an ensuite as well. So this bedroom is part of our double story side extension. Property is all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. Situated in Ellesmere Park, which is a very well sought after area. Lots of transport links, amenities, and some fantastic local schools nearby, as well as lots of low maintenance parks as well. So it would be an absolutely fantastic family home. So as you can see, we've just entered through to the ensuite, which is hidden behind some wardrobe doors and nicely integrated there. So this is our master with our ensuite. And then coming back round, we've got our main bathroom, which again is following a very similar theme. All very well presented throughout and is ready to move straight into. So this is our second double bedroom, which is at the rear of the property. We have another double bedroom, which is bay fronted to the front of the property. And then we've got our fourth bedroom, which is currently being used as an office space. This is our bay fronted bedroom. As you can see, you've got a really great space there, and then completing the property is the fourth bedroom here, which is currently being used as an office. This is a fantastic opportunity to view one of the properties in Ellesmere Park. Very well sought after area and done to a very high and beautiful standard. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 061 707 4900.